Hello and welcome to Tech Macha. Yes, the very first crazy street tech show where two wonderful brains go against each other and the winner ends up winning 1K and the loser, well, sometimes gets so embarrassed that he ends up on almost unfollowing himself. Well, we are going to go ahead and find our two victims. Oh, I'm so sorry. Two contestants today on Tech Macha. We are powered by Cypher 2025 and we are fueled by... Come here, my friend. Please come here. Dosa and data. Shall we go? Very good. Let's go. Are we all set? Yes. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Very good. The first question on Tech Macha. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. And we got a little fanfare for the first question. Thank you so much. On a phone, what button do most people press along with the power button to take a screenshot?
Volume up.
Well done, Mayuri. Mayuri's ahead. Michelle, you gotta get quicker. Alright. Which website do you go to when you don't know anything?
Website, ChatGPT. No.
It's not a bad answer. Well, we were also looking at Google, but that's fine. Well done, well done. Question number 3. Right now, the scores are tied at 1-1. Which emoji do you send when your brain has officially stopped working?
Cypher. The brain with the smoke out.
Well-
Emoji with the smoke out.
Not the brain with the smoke out, because that will be very scary for everyone. You do understand, right? Huh. Some questions are being raised in terms of what you're doing, Mayuri. Anyway, fourth question. The score is 2-1. Which app has a music logo and is used for listening to songs and podcast? Which app has a Okay, Mayuri.
Spotify.
Well done! My God, Michelle. And she was the one before we started. I'm not good at tech. I don't know this. So is she one of those students who used to study and get 99% and tell everyone before the exam?
96.
Not a show off at all. Alright. Final question, ladies and gentlemen. When your phone shows a red battery icon, what percent is it usually at?
20. 20%.
Well done, Mayuri. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a clear and absolute brilliant winner in Mayuri. Mayuri, what is the one thing that you would like to say to all the people who are watching, your parents, your family members, your friends, maybe your dog?
Well, my name is Mayuri from Bangalore. I was having a bad day. This man comes up and approaches me in a very good manner. Please follow their page, and whenever they approach you, support them out there.
That's so wonderful. Thank you, Mayuri. All the money that we're giving you is finally working. All right, Michelle. Before you have to get into a slightly exciting phase of your life, which is the punishment that you have to do publicly, what would you like to say to everyone?
Like about?
The show, the experience, how have you been?
It was good experience, guys. Like she said, it was a bad day for us actually as into work scenario. So you came, you approached us. It was excited, yeah.
I'm so glad that we could...
Now we're gonna be having a good evening though.
Wonderful, Mayuri. Yes, go ahead, spend that money and treat each other to something wonderful and nice. It's been great having you guys on the show, but we have to obviously hand over all of your hard-earned money. Yeah, he's a little scared at times, Mayuri. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. We have the winner. Winner, tech dinner. Thank you so much. It was nice. Mayuri, we have to raise your hand and we have to say that's the winner, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have, of course, the extremely sporting Michelle with us, who is in for now the fun punishment on Tech Macha. The punishment, Michelle, is that you have to share with us very clearly, no cheating, you're not going to do any hanky-panky.
Okay.
What were your 3 last Google searches? Very honestly, tell us.
Okay. Like what are the 3 last searches, right?
Yes.
One is about I used to search for basketball things out here.
Okay,
So
nice.
one is that, and one is about business.
Nice.
Yes. And other thing
Don't
is
worry, your mom and dad are not watching, so you can tell us.
yeah. One is that, and third one.
See, the moment a person starts to think, that means.
No, nothing like that. Last and basically about business and all.
Only business. Huh?
Management things and all. Of course, ChatGPT is there.
So we believe you, Michelle. But there is a shadow of doubt, but that's fine. Thank you so much. Best of luck and have loads and loads of fun. Huh.
He's gonna be an entrepreneur soon. That's why he searches most about business management and everything.
So you believe him. You believe him. Wonderful. What a happy, honest bunch of people. Well, it was so wonderful to have these two people on the show with us today. It was exciting, it was fun, and it was so heartwarming when we actually went ahead and embarrassed them with the fun punishment. But before we leave you, another fun fact. Yes, on Tech Macha, did you know that the QWERTY keyboard that is still used today was actually invented in the 1870s? Yeah, shocking, mind-blowing. Because it was actually meant for typists to slow them down. That is, from ensuring that the keys don't jam if people type too fast. What you need to type, of course, is Tech Macha, because we are taking over the streets of Bengaluru. We are fueled by Dosa and Data and powered by Cypher 2025. Till next time.